how to create an email marketing campaign with HubSpot. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create an email marketing campaign with HubSpot. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the HubSpot website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on marketing and then email. After that, you have to tap on create email and then choose an email type. In our case, it is regular. Over here, you have to choose a template which is relevant to your niche. After that, you can edit your template according to your planned design. You can change different text, you can add different images or logo. If you want to make a specialized email for your audience, then tap on personalize and then select contact under the type section and select first name as well at last. Just tap on insert and your email will be email personalized. You can also add different types of customized button as well by tapping and giving a link for your button. You can also add your social media pages by providing their links. You can also change the settings of your email campaign by tapping on settings. You can change subject line, preview text, and things like that. You can also send or schedule by tapping on this tab. You can choose the recipients who you want to send and who you don't, and can also schedule it by tapping on schedule for later. After completing all these things, just tap on preview and send. Then just review it and tap on send. So that's how you can create an email marketing campaign with HubSpot. That's all for this video.